you are looking for some legal advice but don't know where to start, personal injury attorney Willie Powells is here to help. We are also joined by Devin Castro-Stevenson, who is represented by Willie after he was involved in a car accident. Hello, gentlemen.
Hello.
How are you guys?
Doing fine.
Good. So, okay, we've talked before when you've been on the show about what to do when you're in an accident.
Yes.
And we've covered the basics of like trade information and all of that. I want to hear, Devin, though, about what happened to you and how this all went down.
On a Wednesday night, I'm heading to an event, and out of nowhere, someone careens into the back of me. Immediately, after the shock of everything, I'm laying on a stretcher, and when they put me in, immediately I know I have a meeting with Willie the next morning. So I call and tell Willie, hey, Willie, won't make the meeting. I've been hit by a drunk driver.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
wow. And holy cow, this is a photo of your car?
Yes.
Well, first of all, you're lucky to be alive.
I am. I don't take it for granted. I could hear the EMT saying, is anyone alive? And that's the only thing I take from that moment. I remember them saying,
Is anyone alive?
is anyone alive?
Wow, and thank heavens you were. Willie, people involved in an accident, clearly it's a split-second thing, but it can be a life-changing event.
In a moment of an eye. In a moment of an eye. And there's only so many things you can do. But one thing, they call it defensive driving for a reason. You want to just try to do all the things that you know to do, right? So definitely keep your seatbelt on. You want to, pay attention, use your rear view and your side view panels. Just try to stay as alert as you can.
Yeah.
And even when you are doing that, you can still be hit by someone who's just, completely.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I mean, in Houston, people drive like,
Right.
not so nicely.
That's
so, so you represented Devin then, and you were able to get a payout of $22,000.
Right. Well, that's in his pocket. Yes. So indirectly,
That comes to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's, it's when people are involved in an accident, clearly it's not their fault, right?
Oh,
If
certainly.
you're hit by someone, it's not your fault.
Oh, absolutely. Usually what happens, it's someone like a negligent driver or somebody who's not being very careful. Maybe, what's latest been going on is, people have been called distracted driving because they're tweeting or trying to get directions on their phone. They're not really paying attention. And you just have to really be careful because even though we all can kind of fall into that, you have to really be careful because it can make, like you said, in a split second, a life and death decision.
So a lot of people then, I've been in several minor accidents, so I always deal with the insurance company. At what point should someone reach out to a personal injury lawyer?
Right, and so again, in some cases you can't. You may be in a stretcher, you might wake up in a hospital, and it might be some time before you're able to actually do it on your own. But immediately, as soon as you are able to, or someone on your behalf, because we're here to fight for you. Like, we represent your interest. If you're in the accident, just like the other companies and other entities, they have lawyers on their side.
Yeah.
And they have a completely different agenda. It's not to help you.
It's to pay you as little as possible.
There you go. And so you want to have somebody that understands and that can fight and get justice for you. And that's
Some people might wonder, though, if it costs any money. They may be hesitant to call an attorney because they think they're going to have to pay up front.
Right.
Do you have to pay up front?
No. So the great thing about Texas and personal injury, typically we have what's called contingency fee retainers. And what that is that you don't have to pay anything up front. We only get paid if money is collected, and it's a percentage of that. And then the rest of the percentage goes to the client less medical bills. So it's an awesome arrangement. Please, please, please. But we get it all the time. They're like, I didn't go to the hospital because I was afraid of the emergency, the bill, or the ambulance bill. If it wasn't your fault, let the lawyers help you. That's a good point to call the lawyers. We can let you know because they're afraid of the cost or the fee. You don't have to pay up front for us. We'll help work your case, get the recoveries, and help you feel better, and then we get paid out of that.
Well, and people often, when involved in an accident, they may, from the insurance company, not even get enough to replace the car. So, Devin, in your case, with the money that you received, were you able to sort of get back on your feet and get your life going again?
I was, and luckily my dealings were directly with Willie. I didn't have to have any in between or middleman I had to speak with. All my dealings were directly with Willie.
That's great. Well, Devin, Willie, thanks so much for stopping by. Glad you're okay. Seriously, those car accident photos are really scary. But guys, thank you so much. If you would like to schedule a consultation with lawyer Willie Powells, you can call him 800-240-8126, or you can check him out online at williepowellslawfirm.com. All right, guys, thanks so much. Now, stress is a common problem that almost all of us will deal with at some point in our lives. Up next, we are focusing on the side effects of stress on a woman's health and how